Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to introduce how to use TAO Tiny to capture the signal of UVC cameras. As you can see, we use two TAO Tiny, a Mini Pro, and two cameras. One of them is logic camera, and the other is an OBS boot tiny camera with AI function. Let's check the connection first. Here I connected the UVC signal of OBS camera to TAO Tiny. The Bluetooth remote controller receiver of OBS boot connected right here, then connected the HDMI output of Tiny to the Mini Pro input. In a similar way, connected the UVC signal of logic camera to Tiny through an adapter, then connected the HDMI output of Tiny to the Mini Pro input. Finally, connected the HDMI output of Mini Pro to the monitor. Now we can see two camera signals appeared on the previous screen of Mini Pro. Let's take a look at the program output on monitor. This is the signal of logic camera right here, and this is the signal of OBS boot camera right here. One thing worth mentioning is that the signal of OBS boot camera can be controlled by Bluetooth remote controller. You can see that when I use the Bluetooth remote controller to change the direction of the camera, the picture of the monitor also changes the direction at the same time. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Now you can see when I move to left, the picture on monitor also changed. When I move to right, the picture on monitor is moving too. Also, this is the zoom function of OBS Tiny. As you can see, this is a zoom out and this is a zoom in. This Bluetooth function of OBS boot is very suitable for remote wireless control. It's widely used in many fields. Okay, this is the whole content of this video. Thank you for watching.